Hi friends, it's Bonnie from Let's Create. Happy New Year's, my crafty buddies. Here is some quick tips and helpful hints to help you create our January kit, which is our little winter set of 3 small shapes. There's the mitten. It has 3 pieces. You get the mitten, the cuff, and then the snowflake. The hat, also the edge here, the snowflake and the hat. And our last little shape is the little mini sign that includes the Brrr letters and then the snowflake also. All 3 of them will be in your kit that are available here the month of January. And here's a few helpful hints on how to paint them. So base coat all of your shapes white first. I shouldn't say all your shapes. Your hat and then your mitten, you're gonna base coat completely white. Using your brush, you want a nice, flat, even coat of paint all over the entire shape. Just get good coverage on it. Don't put too much paint. So if you're seeing peaks and valleys, you've got too much paint on and you need to smooth that out and make it nice and even. We're going to paint only the top surface, not the edges, because they're already finished for us, and I usually don't paint the backs either. So you're going to paint the hat white and then the mitten white also. Once you get that done, then we're going to move on to our extra shapes. We're going to paint the cuff for our mitten, the little brim of the hat, and then our large sign here, the blue, the square. We're gonna paint all of those the blue color. Or if you wanna use paint that you already have at home, you can paint them any additional colors. And please notice that the lettering is white, and then I made 1 snowflake white also. So your snowflakes are 2 snowflakes blue, 1 snowflake white for this kit. And again, nice even coat all over everything. Then you are going to be ready to assemble your kit. You're going to take your white coat or your hat first, put on your snowflake, and then use the brim that you've painted blue. And you can attach your shapes together. See how that fits? It should line up perfect for you. And when I painted mine, you can still see the etch marks on there through the blue. Just kind of gives it an extra little dimension there. You can hook your shapes or attach your shapes together with hot glue. A lot of times I do like to use this lucite glue. Let me show you that. It's just a super glue. It comes out, this is a gel format, so it's not runny and it's really, really easy to use, and I use it a lot here at Let's Create. So you're gonna put your hat together, then you're gonna assemble your mitten the same way. After you've painted it, you're gonna add your snowflake in the middle, and then put the little cuff on your snowflake painted blue, and he'll be all ready. Should look like this for you when you get done with him. And then our last little shape is the little Brrr square. So be sure, I like to lay all my lettering out first and then put your snowflake on the square before you start gluing. Get all your spacing correct and make sure that you're happy with how it looks before you start to assemble your little sign here. Once you have it laid out how you like it, then use either your hot glue gun, you can use a tacky glue, or again, the super glue is what I like to use, especially on these little letters. I put mine in an angle. You can put yours straight, however you want to do it, or you can put the Brrr at the top with the snowflake at the bottom. Whichever, make it your own style, whatever that you like to make your little sign. And then you're going to have, see if I can hold them all here. You're going to have all 3 signs completed, the little Brrr, the hat, and then your mitten. I hope you enjoy this set, and thank you for watching my tutorial. If you like my YouTube videos, be sure that you subscribe below. It'll make it so much easier for you to find me on YouTube. And happy crafting, my friends.